Good afternoon. Today I'm on the Shelf Road of the Ojai Valley Land Conservancy land, and I'm doing a short, almost impromptu geocache maintenance run. So come join me. We're here at the Fox Canyon Trailhead, and a very experienced geocacher said that she could not find the geocache. Should be an easy find. So let's see. I suspect it's gone. And as expected, it is gone. So we'll just do a quick and easy replacement. And the same geocacher reports that she could not find this multi that starts at the Lucy trailhead and gathers information off of that post. So we're going to go up and see if it's there. The trail we're going up, and yeah, it's got a few switchbacks. Alright, well, that was a nice little hike, and just check out this view. And as expected, the geocache was gone, so I have replaced it, and that will be it for the maintenance today. And I still have to walk back to the car, but at this point, as you know, I'm just going to tell you, thanks for joining me.